Hi, I'm Tanvi Mahashabde. I'm from Nasik, Maharashtra. So my first impression of TAPMI was actually I had researched about its other branches which are in Manipal and Jaipur also. So I knew that TAPMI is actually a very good B school, but the course which they have started right now, which is like more inclined towards business administration. After analyzing all my other options, I chose TAPMI because I was really fascinated by the course they are offering here. First of all, it is a 4-year honors program and we have 8 SEMs, and in each SEM we have a group of various subjects which are interrelated, and those subjects are from various disciplines. For example, last SEM we had anthropology, this SEM we have scientific thinking as well as psychology. So I think that each day, apart from subjects like accounts, economics, business, we are actually studying how to manage people and developing soft skills through these disciplines. We are encouraged to do internships after every year. So I think in that way TAPMI stands out because they are focusing more on practical education as well as on the theoretical part. And for such courses also, like I mentioned anthropology and all, we were asked to go out and interview various communities and understand them. It gave us a better understanding of how to manage people, work in a group where people are from various backgrounds. So I think all such small activities and tasks which we are asked to do, I think through that we are able to build a better understanding of how the business world works. As there is a very experienced team of faculty guiding us for each course, we have plenty of opportunities to do projects. We also have personal development programs. For example, we have been attending SDP classes from SEM 1. It helps us gain a better knowledge of who we are actually and how to interact with other people when you are in a college life. This is our second batch of TAPMI, and from the first batch itself, we had a corporate engagement committee. There's a group of people working under placement head Abhishek Singh. He has a very efficient way of working and getting placements. He encourages the students to get placements for themselves. The internships and placements also, they also vary. For example, at the end of first year, we have a social internship. We'll have to work with an NGO so that we'll know how non-profit organizations work. After the end of the second year, we also have the corporate and industry engagement program, so that we'll actually get an idea of how each sector works. And that's how the corporate engagement team encourages other students from our batch. Like the students only encourage their peers to find internships, and they also help them to find them. There are people in TAPMI who are coming from various backgrounds, from different regions, different academic background as well. There's a system in TAPMI followed that we have working groups, and in those working groups we have to do our assignments. So I think that future managers, TAPMI is really helping us to work in a team and to adjust with all sorts of people. And the detailed courses which are actually relevant in the contemporary sense of the world, I think we'll be more ready after the end of this program. I chose TAPMI because of the course structure only, and right now, as I am halfway through SEM 2, I think I am enjoying my college life here. I have found wonderful people, and I think I'll have a very memorable college experience.